Hello, this is Gardens of Blessings TV. I am back for another video summary about parents' challenges on the distance learning modality series. This time we are going to talk about routine, and if you notice, I am inside my school bus and it's nighttime. This is the first time that I'm going to show to you my or our safe place. This is the place where I teach William how to self-regulate his anxiety. We've been doing this for a couple of months while waiting for a professional therapist to check on him. He's been doing really well through self-regulation and this practice. So if you are interested about conscious discipline, the link is in the description box below. So anyway, how do you make your own routine? But before anything else, I would like to thank everyone who came into my previous Brainstorm Live, our first ever online parent support group live. Thank you everyone for sharing your time with me and sharing your thoughts. Mega shout out to Melvin, Erin, and Mommy Ann. Thank you very much for the love and support. Super shout out to all my 809. Yeah, we are 809 subscribers and counting. If you think that my videos are helpful, please continue to like and share so that YouTube will recommend them to others. And if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing by clicking that bell and choose all to receive updates. I'd like to start this video by asking your thoughts on what is the difference between schedule from routine. Do you prefer a schedule or a routine? And how do you make your routine? Please share your answers on the comment section of this video. I would appreciate any input you have in mind. How do I make my own routine? I am going to show you how, and we are going to start with from experience. I start my routine with a purpose in mind. What is my intention in creating my routine? My intention is that I want to feel secure that I am doing things the way I wanted to and let my children know it. My intention is to relieve myself from my own anxiety, which is the unknown. I am afraid of uncertainty. Knowing what to do next is my safety net because if things go wrong, I can easily change the plan swiftly and I can manage my stress. Do you really need to follow your routine in a tight schedule? My answer is, I don't think so. I make my routine flexible. In this world, the only thing that is constant is change. I have to keep on reminding myself to be patient with myself and be resilient. Resiliency is your way to bounce back from any challenges that you are facing at the moment. And I think that resiliency is a form of flexibility. This means that if your routine is flexible, you can easily adapt the changes of some uncontrollable events. So, when you have a purpose and your routine is flexible, make it happen. So then, you will never know if it works until you do it. Just do what your good intention is telling you. Just do it. Plan, do, repeat. But if things really don't fit as you wanted to, then plan, do, and rise or improve. Because, as I have said, the only constant in this world is change, and change it for the better. So to make your routine, you have to start with the purpose in mind, make your routine flexible, and make it happen. You can make a day that is worth doing and can even make you feel a better person. Therefore, lesser stress and be more successful for the whole week. Just as John C. Maxwell said, you'll never change life until you change something you do daily. The secret of your success is found in your daily routine. I hope this video finds you peace. Then join me in my next brainstorm live about the parents' challenges on the distance learning modality series. This is a live online support group for parents in this new normal. Every Friday nights at 9 p.m. Eastern Time and Saturday mornings 9 a.m. Philippine Time. If not, check out my next video summary. See you there.